So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to turn on accessible colors for color blindness here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom right and select on the icon or the profile picture, whatever that is, go ahead and press it. Once you're then on this page right here, go down to where it says settings, personal information notifications, and then select that option. Then once you're here under app preferences, app appearance, select that. And then where it says accessible colors, best for red, green color blindness, if this applies to you, you can go ahead and toggle that button on right there. And as you can tell, the colors change a little bit, which can then help for color blindness. If you have red, green color blindness, if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on, and you can proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to turn on accessible colors for color blindness here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.